God, I hate this fucking computer. Now I have to shut it down. Welcome everyone to a part one of a two-part series that we're doing on computer maintenance. And I know what you're thinking. How are you going to make a computer maintenance video when your computer doesn't work? Well, there's still things that we can show you about computer maintenance especially when you're in a band. The first thing of this two-part video is how to properly turn off your computer. Right now I need to restart the computer because it's broken. So I'm going to restart it the proper way. First thing you're going to want to do is close out of all your programs.
I like cuddling with men in my dirty bathroom. And that's okay.
Once you do that, you're going to want to turn off your speakers. And the reason you do this is because when the computer shuts off, it's going to make a really loud pop, and you don't want to blow out your speakers. Jeez. Do not shut off your interface. This is important. Leave that on. Now you shut off your computer. Shut down. Yes, shut down, obviously. Once the computer shuts off, this little light switches, it switched to red there. I don't know if you saw that. But that little light will switch to red. Now you can shut off your interface. Okay? And that's how to properly turn off your computer. I hope you liked this video. And I know that it seems like really basic stuff, but trust me, if you screw up the order of that, it'll mess up all of your Pro Tools sessions and all kinds of other things, potentially. It won't necessarily every time, but it can. Believe me and Drew have been there. Be sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below and let us know what you want to see in future videos.
Well, there's still stuff, but...
Part 2 of this is coming up.